When did you stop trusting your parents? The same day that a woman at the mall food court took one look at me and fell to the floor shrieking. I had literally no idea what was going on. Her husband tried to pull her off the ground, but he was crying too. Everyone around us was staring, but they did not care. They were reaching to me and screaming, "How could this be? How are you here? Joseph, Joseph." But my name isn't Joseph. I was so freaked out, like I was just trying to get a Cinnabon. I tried to turn around and just get the heck out of there, because this woman was clearly nuts, but then she ran up to me and grabbed me by the arms. I shook her off and looked around for someone to help me, but everyone was too busy doing that thing where they pretend they're not looking at you when they absolutely are. But then the woman looked at me with her eyes narrowed and said, "You're not him." I said, "I don't know what you're talking about," right as her husband reached us. The woman was crying too hard to speak, but her husband apologized to me and asked if he could please get me a coffee and explain. Half of me really wanted to just get away from them, but the woman was gripping my arm, pleading with me with her eyes, and I couldn't